Today in this video we are going to learn about articles. What are articles? A and da. So we are going to learn about the use of them. So a or an and da are the two types of articles. There are rules to help you decide which one to use. But first you need to know what type of noun you are using. So rule number 1 for using a and when you have a single countable noun, you must always have an article before it. We cannot say please pass me pen. We must say please pass me the pen, or please pass me a pen, or please pass me your pen. So if we are putting your before noun, before pen, that's okay. But if we are using pen, we have to use the or a before that. So nouns can also be countable. Nouns can also be uncountable. Uncountable nouns can be concepts such as life, happiness and so on. Or materials and substances such as coffee or wood. Okay, now rule number 2. Uncountable nouns don't use a or an. This is because you can't count them. For example, advice is an uncountable noun. You can't say he gave me an advice. Okay, but you can say he gave me some advice or he gave me a piece of advice. So we cannot use a or an before uncountable nouns, as advice is an uncountable noun, so we cannot use a or an before advice. Some nouns can be both countable and uncountable. For example, we say coffee, meaning a thing, but we say a coffee when asking for 1 cup of coffee. Rule number 3, you can use the to make general things specific. You can use the with any type of noun, plural or singular, countable or uncountable. Please pass me a pen, any pen. If we are saying please pass me a pen, that means we are talking about any pen. But if we are saying please pass me the pen, that means we are talking about some particular pen, or the one that we can both see, the one who's asking or the one to whom the person is asking, they both can see the pen. That in that case we will use the pen. The children grow up quickly. Children in general. So here we are talking about children in general, like all children grow up quickly. The poetry of Kenneth is beautiful. Here we are talking about Kenneth's poetry. Okay, so I am only talking about the poetry that has been written by Kenneth. Okay, so more uses of articles. We use the before the names of rivers, mountain ranges, seas, oceans and geographic areas, famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, the White House, etc. Okay, so before the famous places, we use the with it. Unique things, we use the before unique things. For example, the sun, the moon, as the sun is only one in the world and the moon is also. Okay, so we are going to use the before it. Musical instruments, with musical instruments also we use the, like she plays the piano. Here we have used the before piano. With the sports also, the sports don't have an article, so we will not use the before any sports, like he plays football. So we have not said here he plays the football. We will say he plays football. Badminton is his favorite game. So I have not used the here. The badminton is his favorite game. That will be wrong. Illnesses don't have an article. So if we are talking about any illness, we will not use the with it. Like he has got jaundice. Oh, but we say a cold and a headache. But we can use a cold, with cold a, and with headache also a. Okay, now jobs. When we talk about job, we can use a, like I am a teacher, he is a doctor. Abbreviations means short form. So with abbreviations we use the, like the UN, the USA, the IMF. We use the before classes of people, like the rich, the poor, the British. Okay, theaters, cinemas and hotels have the. So noun words like the name of theaters, cinemas and hotels, we use da with them, like the Taj Mahal, the Hilton, the palm tree, okay.